I think that's the only thing that I could say, because I always like videoing and documenting. LGJ7869. He's apologizing for that. So for those that don't know, that's the thank you signal. Thank you or sorry. It could be either or when they put the blinkers on. So he's like, he cut me off, but then he apologized for it. So all saying thank you for it, because I didn't like being an asshole and not let him in. Because I saw he was coming. I could have moved up forward, not let him in. So at least he was thankful for that. Most people don't do that. Damn, look at that. Yo, people, the way it turned out at the 35-minute mark, a secret was revealed. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Skipping one car. All that to skip one car. There's no cars behind me.